Hello everyone, this is Team 5. We are going to walk you through our prototype for CulinaryHub. This is a mobile application designed for novice users who want to learn or explore cooking online. In the first screen, you are provided with some recipe lists such as today's picks recipes, trending recipes, and quick recipes to help you choose what to cook today. You can also type in your desired recipe names to narrow down the selections. Or you can simply scan the ingredients you have on the cutting board and the ingredients will be detected and the suggested recipes based on those ingredients will be provided. You can also use filter to filter the recipes of your interest. Now, click the recipes you want to cook, such as orange pie. All detailed information such as ingredients required, directions to prepare will be provided to you. Also, if you are missing some essential ingredients like the evaporated milk, don't worry, click the icon and the substitutions of ingredients will be provided to you. If you are still worried about cooking like it's my very first time cooking, I really don't know how to start, don't worry. Navigate to the Live Learning tab. Select an instructor you prefer and click Join Session. A professional chef will guide you step by step in a live video call. Now you know how to cook, but what if you don't know how to select the best and freshest ingredient? No worries, navigate to Smart Scan and scan all items on the rack while you're shopping in the supermarket. All fresh items will be identified and circled by AI for you to pick. The nutrition status and storage tips of detected items will also be provided for your reference. If you still have any further doubts, don't worry. Simply click the Need Help icon and ask your questions to the AI chatbot. Hope to bring you the joy of learning to cook with CulinaryHub.